The willingness to go above and beyond for every scholar is what I've seen in a short amount of time here. My name is Solis. I am the Assistant Principal of Operations here at IDEA Carver. This is my first year with IDEA Public Schools, and one of the things that I've come to love about IDEA is the shared message and agreement that we're going to provide any scholar with top quality education and that we're going to get every scholar into college. What I love most in this first year is how hands-on we are. I make sure that all the operational aspects of the campus are running with fidelity and efficacy. While there was a big learning curve up front, my onboarding plan was well thought out, it was carefully implemented, and it was followed through. There was always a clear plan, and I have no doubt in my mind that I can do my job and there's always someone who can help. What I've seen that makes IDEA special is that everybody shares the same level of expectations. I know that for me as a parent, my son's quality of education is the most of importance to me. And so I want our families to know that if you're looking for the promise and the commitment that they're going to be college ready, I would say that this is the place where you want to be. IDEA has truly created the systems that separate us from the rest. My name is Solis, APO at IDEA Carver, and I am IDEA.